In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom Google Keep headers while customize your Google Keep notes in minutes. 5 minutes. We'll use PowerPoint to design a clean banner, then add it to a Google Keep note so it appears as a bold custom header. Open PowerPoint with a blank slide so we have a fresh canvas. At the top, click the Design tab. From there, open slide size, then choose the option to set a custom size. For a header, you want something wide and not too tall. Think a banner. Increase the width and keep the height relatively short so it stretches nicely across a note. The exact numbers aren't critical. Aim for a wide rectangle that won't feel cramped. Now add your text. Click to type your header. This might be a project name, a checklist label, or a category. Use a large readable font and center it both horizontally and vertically. Leave a bit of breathing room on the sides so nothing gets cut off when Keep crops on different screens. With the text selected, go to the Shape Format tools. This is where you can quickly make it pop using word art styles. Try a bold style with a clear outline, add a subtle shadow for depth, or use a gradient fill that complements the color you'll choose in Keep. Keep contrast in mind. Dark text on a light background or vice versa improves legibility. When it looks good, go to File and choose Save As. Pick PNG as the format so it stays crisp. Save it somewhere easy to find. If you're prompted about exporting one slide, choose just this slide. Now switch to Google Keep. Start a new note by clicking Take a Note. Add your image using the Image button, then select the PNG you just created. Keep places images at the top of the note, which is perfect for a header effect. Next, open the background options to choose a color or pattern that complements your design. This can tie your notes together visually, especially if you use a consistent palette. If this header note should always stay in view, pin it so it remains at the top of your Keepboard. When you're satisfied, click close to save the note and return to your main view. That's it. You've created a custom Google Keep header using simple tools you already have. Repeat the process to build a set of headers, one for each category or workflow, and keep your notes organized, scannable, and uniquely yours.